Hi, this is Stephen Hickey with GIT Get Into Technology, and in this video I want to take you in and show you how to change your Facebook password. It's a common problem with people forgetting passwords and not sure how to go in and change that. And so I'm going to take you in and I'm going to change the password. I'll show you exactly how it's done, so stay tuned for this video. Okay, a common problem I see with people not sure how to change their password on Facebook, multiple platforms actually, and they either misplace their password, lose their password, or just forget it all entirely, and so they can't get in. They're not sure how to change it. I'm going to show you something. We're going to open a tab here and go change Facebook password, enter. Yeah, look at that, 2,200,000,000 search results to how to change Facebook password. So that goes to show you that it is a huge problem. So I'm going to take you back to this other tab, and we're going to go into Socks Hickey, and I'm not sure of the password. So let's just click on there. We're going to go sign in and go. And I'm just going to go log in. And it says update password. No, I'm not going to do that. What you want to do is recover your account. So you're going to click on recover your account. Reset your password. How do you want to get the code to reset your password? They're going to send it via email. So I'm going to go continue. And so now a code has been sent to my email. So just hold on here. I'm going to show you exactly where it is. Okay, so I'm on my phone right now, and you can find this through your email on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac computer, whichever you're using. And you want to go to the email to get the code so we can reset the password. So I'm going to go down to my Mail app, which is on the dock. Yours might be not on the dock anywhere. You know where it is. So go click that. And as you can see, Facebook, there's a code. 546013 is your Facebook account recovery code. So click on there. It says, "Hi Socks, we have received a request to reset your Facebook password. Click here to change your password." Now you can do that right within the email, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that code and I'm going to take you right back over to where I got to put it in. So just hold on. Okay, so here we are. What you want to do is you want to write that code in. I have copied it to my clipboard, so I'm just going to push Command V on your desktop. You can just type it in. If you're on your phone, your iPad, or your Mac, you can click Command V if you've copied it just like I, or you just put it in there off your phone. You're reading it. So I'm going to just put it in there now. Okay, apparently it's I was cutting and pasting, so we're going to put in 546013, and we're going to go click on continue. So left click, and now you come in here and you put your new password in. So I'm just going to pause the video and I'm going to go get my password. Hold on. Okay, so I got my password here, and I'm going to click in the box, and then I'm going to Command V, And my password is in there. And when you're doing your password, you want uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and you want to mix them around. And so I'll write down my password, and if it's an uppercase letter, I'll just put a line underneath it, and then you put lowercase, and then you want another uppercase, you put a line underneath it so you know, and then you use numbers to make sure that this is encrypted. And as you can see, it says strong, so you want a strong password when you're changing it for Facebook. So let's just continue. Tells me here, password change. If you think someone else have known your old password, it's a good idea to log out of your other phones and computers and check for recent changes to your account. So all they're doing is they're trying to help you protect yourself. So if you are signed in with your old password on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac computer, and you're changing this on one of the devices that we're talking about today, then you need to log out on your other devices and then put in your new password. Which I don't think it's going to work anyways, because once we change the password and you're logged in, you go to get on the device and go into Facebook, it's not going to allow you, it's going to ask you for your new password. So there you are. So what you want to do is you can log out. We don't want to log out, so we want to stay logged in, so we're going to push continue. So that is how you change your password for Facebook. It's pretty straightforward. You just have to go reset your password. They'll send you a code in your email. You go grab that code, you come back, you put the code in, and you just follow the prompts and to change your password, and here we are. So this is it for this video. Please comment and share. Let me know how you're liking my videos. Put a lot of time and effort into these to help you out to solve your problems. So just leave me a comment and share the video with others that you know that may benefit from this. Okay, thank you for watching. This is Stephen Hickey. Stay connected with GIT Get Into Technology by subscribing to this channel. It's down on the right side of this video, just below. And you also want to click on the bell notification, and any new videos that are coming out, you'll be notified, and you will able to continue on with your learning. And we have new videos coming out all the time. So stay connected with GIT Get Into Technology.